Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is part 6 of my series talking about 6 of the most common laundry issues people don't realize can be caused by using too much laundry detergent. Issue number 6, adverse dermatological effects. In other words, it can irritate your skin. As mentioned previously, if you're using too much detergent, it can cause a buildup in your clothing. And the chemicals in laundry detergent are not designed to have long-term direct contact with your skin, especially not in more sensitive areas. If you're using too much detergent and you have a detergent buildup in your clothing, it can actually mimic allergy symptoms. You can have breakouts, rashes, redness, itchiness, and even sometimes yeast infections. Because when I'm saying detergent buildup in your clothing, yeah, underwear is clothing too. And I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just speaking from my personal experience as a field repair technician, but personally, I believe that a lot of people who think that they are allergic to commercial laundry detergents probably aren't allergic to the detergent, which is not to say that if you have a specific ingredient that you know you're allergic to, that's not the case. But it is to say that a lot of people use way too much laundry detergent and don't even realize it. And of course, if it seems like your clothing is giving you an allergic reaction, a lot of people's first instinct is to try a different detergent. But if they haven't addressed the detergent buildup in their clothing and in their machine, and they're still using too much detergent, the issue isn't going to go away. And again, this is still all personal speculation and belief from my own experiences, but commercial laundry detergents are a lot more concentrated than the DIY, organic, whatever people turn to when they feel like they are allergic to commercial laundry detergents. So then they're going from something that has a whole lot of cleaning power to a lot less cleaning power, plus that added detergent buildup that hadn't been addressed yet. It's going to seem like their clothing is getting more clean, when in reality, using those products is just allowing that detergent buildup to eventually, very slowly, get out of their clothing. But once that detergent buildup is eventually flushed away, and you're just using the less powerful detergent, eventually it might seem like it's not working as well. It's the circle of laundry. I don't know, just some food for thought, but at the end of the day, the moral of the story is this: more detergent does not always mean more clean, so use less laundry sauce.